Today I'll be making ratatouille.
These are the ingredients. For the fresh tomato sauce, to a pan add 2 tablespoons olive oil, add 2 teaspoons chilli flakes and 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. Fry for a minute. To this add 2 diced onions. Cook for about 2 minutes on low flame. Once the onions have cooked, add the pureed tomatoes. Now on medium flame, let this cook for 10 minutes. To the sauce, add salt and pepper to taste. Also add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Let it cook for 1 minute and the fresh tomato sauce is ready. For the ratatouille, cut the vegetables, the tomato, the brinjal and the zucchini into very fine thin slices. And the vegetables are cut. Now add a layer of the fresh tomato sauce that we made to a baking pan. Now in this, layer the tomato, the brinjal and the zucchini. Optionally top with some fresh basil. Sprinkle some salt and pepper.